Hello, good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all our international students. Back once again here in the studios regarding international students who would like to further study their studies in Malaysia. I'm always going to be having specific time for you international students already so that we can discuss more and look forward to see how you can basically be helped to further study or continue with our studies here in Malaysia. And today we are going to see for those students still isolated to accounting, those who want to be there's what we call ACCA. There's a program called ACCA, that's Association of Certified Chartered Accounting. So I want to guide you on how and where you can be able to reach your dream of getting this degree of all certification in being as a certified, the Association of Certified Chartered Accountant. So I want to guide you who's out there, and like if you have any query or if you have any question, feel free to contact us via our emails, via our websites. You can reach us through Facebook, you can reach us via Instagram. You just have to write down Edu Service International Group Network, as you can look the name here, EDUSRVS Global Network. That is our company name. You can trace us all online. You can find us anywhere on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, websites. Our website is eduservice.com. You can just dial up to see our website, eduservice.com. You can find us there. So let's go straight on how we can guide you to pursue your degree in, such as in the Association of Certified Chartered Accountant. So many students outside there, they are looking on how to go on to find a place where they can finish this degree. But here are your guidelines for all international students who would like to complete their studies here in Malaysia. First of all, I've come up around students and they have been asking me, what's the meaning of ACCA? So tonight I want briefly to discuss with you what is the meaning of ACCA. So please pay attention and look forward to solve your problem regarding this matter. So before going any further, let's get to know what is ACCA. ACCA in full, it means it's ACCA. It's an abbreviation for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. That's the general meaning of ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. So for those of you who are looking to places where they can go for this program, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be able to direct you and we'll be able to show you the right way to take. Oh, thank you very much. In addition to this one, ACCA is a body of professional accountants and is recognized globally. You got my point. ACCA, it's a body of professional accountants and it's recognized globally with over 200,000 members in about 180 countries. So it's a very globally recognized course or program. So with us, we can help you to secure positions regarding having this course in Malaysia. This program consists of a series of professional exams that you need to pass, about 13 papers in total. Provides assurance to employers that you have the necessary skills and knowledge in the accounting and financial fields. Once you're able to acquire this certification or this degree in, as in ACCA, it helps to provide assurance for the employers that you have the necessary skills and knowledge in the accounting and finance fields. Maybe you could be having your degree in accounting, but if you have this additional certification in ACCA, it's more privilege over those ones who don't have it. You own more privilege over those ones who don't have it. So you who is looking for ACCA, that is Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. It's a very important course for those people who like finance fields and accounting fields. It's a very good program for you guys. More to this one, let's look in details about ACCA. ACCA, I told you already, it contains about some fields. That is a series of professional exams that you need to pass, about 13 in total. Of the ACCA program, you will get technical knowledges in the fields of accounting, financial, as well as other areas such as organization, management, and strategy. So all these fields you're going to be having technical knowledge on how to manage all these matters. In addition to this one, let's look further and see ACCA professional accounting qualifications, and it's not a degree itself. Important note, what I want you to note here, guys, ACCA is not a degree. ACCA is a professional accounting qualification, meaning that it's a certification, it's a certificate itself. It's a professional accounting qualification, a qualification that puts you above. You could be having your degree, but if you could be having your degree in accounting, you could be having your master's in accounting, you could be having your PhD in accounting, but this qualification, once you have it, it's a general assurance that you got all the necessary requirements and skills plus knowledge required in the field of accounting and finance. So this is the advantage, put you a step ahead. So for those of you who are looking for this course, please don't hesitate to contact us. And a note, it's not a degree program, it's a qualification with a certificate. Let's look how to studying ACCA in Malaysia for those of you, because for us we are based in Malaysia and all our works are based in Malaysia. So I want to show you, for those of you who want to studying this course in Malaysia, what you need. But not obtaining this ACCA professional qualification, I want to show you what the requirements you need to attain this ACCA professional certification. So for those of you, for example, I will show the pathway. For those of you who are having O-level graduates, let's say here in Malaysia, O-level is equivalent to SPM. That means if you are having O-level certification, it might require you to go for a foundation course in this field of accounting before you apply for this knowledge, before you apply for this certification. All else, so for those of you with this course, for those of you with O levels, you will need to go for a foundation. You will need to go for a foundation. After that, you can do the applied knowledge, ACCA applied knowledge, and you can go furthermore and graduate with this course. No need for anything else. And for those of you with a diploma still, you can directly go to this course. You can directly go for this course. That's in total, for just briefly to cut it short, let me show you exactly what it needs in general, because it's a little bit broad topic to see about. If you come up with a foundation, that means you're going to take ACCA applied knowledge. There you will be taking 3 papers. You'll be taking 3 papers. Then after that, to go to advance for the next level, these 3 papers may take you 6 months only. Then to get that level. Then if you want to go for a degree or something in accounting, so you will need to have ACCA applied skills. That means we're going to have 6 papers in this time. That means 6 different courses in this time to make you be qualified to take on with a degree program in accounting. So in more to this one, for those of you who have already the diploma in accounting, you can directly go to a degree and study it. Or else, you can directly go and do what we call ACCA, the applied skills. This is also 6 papers in general. This is also 6 papers in general. So mark this one carefully. And for those of you who is already certified accounting technicians, those of you are already certified accounting technician, you will directly go and do your ACCA applied skill paper, 6 papers. Then it will directly take the ethic and professional skills. In more to this one, ACCA Strategic Professional Essentials options is 4 papers. In general, that will be totaling up to 16 papers in general. So don't forget that you can still use, if you have all the stages, that means you'll be able even to pursue a master degree professional accountancy in universities of London. If you have it, you can also exceed more and go study for your masters. If you have, because in London they are highly recognized, ACCA is highly recognized, so you can go and do your masters if you have the 13 papers done with you. and then you can have the practical experience requirement as well. More to this one, that has been just briefly about the pathway regarding having this course in Malaysia here. Certified accounting technician, this is the fastest and the shortest route to obtaining an ACCA qualifications. So foundation, that's already I told you, foundation is equivalent to O-level certification. So if you have this one, you directly go to a degree in accounting. If you're done with the foundation, with the minimum requirement of approximately 5 point something in total. So it's also another pathway to obtaining these ACCA qualifications. So in general, I'll show you ACCA course structures and exam structures briefly about the ACCA course structures and exam structure. Course structure, ACCA course structure and exam structure. The ACCA exams are divided into 3 segments. There is what we call applied knowledge, applied skills, and strategic professions. In more to this one, ACCA applied knowledge is 3 papers in total. The applied knowledge exams are designed to give you a broad introduction to the world of finance and accounting. The exams are accounting in business, management in accounting, financial accounting. Second of this one is what we call ACCA applied skills. These are 6 papers. ACCA applied skills. Remember, the first one was ACCA applied knowledge. Now that was knowledge. Now we are looking at ACCA applied skills. So in this matter, this level 2 is help you to in building. These are the ones which are 6 papers, building on your knowledge and understanding of accounting and financing. The applied skills paper ensure that you develop strong and practical skills in order to be a strategic professional, accounting, and regardless of which industry you work in. The exams are in general corporation and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, financial management. There's what we call stage 3, accounting strategy professionals. Accounting strategy professionals, these are 4 papers in total. So these papers, I want to show you what will they help you. ACCA strategic professionals aim to prepare you for future leadership positions by developing your technical, ethical, and professional skills. This is where you get to choose the area you would like to specialize in. For example, the strategic professional is divided into 2 sections, that is essential 2 papers and optional choice 2 exams from 4 options. The exams are essentials, strategic business leader, strategic business reporting, and other options could be advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation, advanced audit and assurance. All these ones could be relevant, but the optionalized and very important for you. So most of the students would have so many questions like, what are the entry requirements and qualifications? Please listen to me carefully. Please listen to me carefully. Here are the requirements and qualifications for those of you who would like to pursue their ACCA, that is the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. In order to register for ACCA without going through the Certified Accounting Technician course, you must meet the following pre-university entry requirements. Before anything, if you don't want to go through those stages, you must have a minimum, you must have a level certification that is equivalent to a diploma with a minimum of 2 entry pass, with a minimum of 2 years and 3 credits in ACPM, that's Malaysia standard, including English and mathematics. That should be a pass. You must have a pass. You have to be having a pass in English and as well as in mathematics. So because law of calculations and all these things, plus the language is conducted in English. English is the medium of language used most especially in this business subject. So you need to be equipped with good English, understand the terms and all the ideologies required in this topic. In addition to this one, there's what you call Australian monetary calculation. So you need to be having this one. There's what you call UEC, minimum of 5 BS, including English and mathematics. So those are some of the requirements required for you to do this course. And the reasons, if you have a degree, you can do it, you can attempt it. If you have the highest level that you must be having in order so that you don't go into those deep accounting stages, you need to be having A-level certificate, you need to be having a diploma. If you don't have any of these ones, then if you have O-level, that we might require to go for. If you don't have A-level and you have only O-level, it might require to go for a foundation, which may be equivalent to A-level certification. Then you can go for your ACCA, Chartered Certified Accountant course. In addition to this one, so many students came on asking us that why should we take on these courses? Why should we have these courses? Why should we consider this course so important? So below are some of the reasons why I'm recommending students to take on, why I'm telling you it's important, why is it necessary. First one, recognized by thousands of employers worldwide. Different firms around the world are recognizing these qualifications, are highly recognized. So you could be having your master, you could be having your PhD, you could be having your degree, but once you have this qualification as an additional, you have so much standing more chances than those without this qualification. So for those ones of you who think it's useless, please take a note. It's very important. Qualification. You get to be in charge of your studies and career. So this topic, it helps you to have control of your studies and career, because you'll be having a big broad general knowledge about the business and accounting industry. So it will be easy for you to decide which one to take on and which one should not take on, which one to continue with and which one is not suitable. So be decisive in nature in all ways. Reason number 3, it opens the door to many other industries. What I mean opens the door to so many other industries. Since you get so much knowledge in this area of when you get this qualification of the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant, you have so much knowledge, you have so much skills you acquire, so it will open for you so many doors in so many different industries, regardless of the industry. But there will be so many chances of employability, so many chances of different determinants, as we'll see further in. So some skills, these are some skills which you may need to go on with these courses. Let's discuss some of the skills you as an international student you will require to go on with this course. First, the skill number 1, you are required to have the drive. This is what you call drive. That's the desire, the love to do, the love to study. You need to have the drive and the determination to learn and work hard. So this is one of the skills that is more important in any field, not only in academics, but in all the fields around the world. You have to be determined and you have to work hard. So I'll take on skill 2, attention to details. It's a highly detailed course. So you need to be very attentive. You need to have that attitude, you need to have that character of paying attention all the time. You need to be a critical thinker so that you can observe everything regarding this course. High level of ethics, that's number 3. I might say high level of ethics and integrity. So you need to have good ethics and integrity. And also number 4, I may say good communication skills. Good communication skills, because as you know, in accounting, sometimes the different fields might require to be having general topics to talk about, something discuss about, like for example the leaders in business, in accounting. So you need to have the power to communicate. So you need to have this character of communication skills for you to be in a good line, so that you can be able to go on with this qualification course. I would say number 5, I would say what career options do you have with ACCA? Some students, they come to me, they go and ask me, whenever students come to us, they ask about this course, what should be the career options do I have after I complete these studies? What can it help me in future? So once you're done with your studies in ACCA, that is, I remind, it's called Association of Certified Chartered Accountant. That's the full. ACCA is an abbreviation of Association of Certified Chartered Accountant in full. ACCA is the abbreviation of it. So students, they ask me what could be the future career options once we are done with these studies. So I go on telling them that once you've done these studies, or once you're done with these qualifications, it will allow you to pursue various job opportunities in life, especially in accounting and finance sectors. You got my, especially in finance and accounting sectors. So look here, it will help you. Like for example, one you can run for, or you can apply for auditor. You can be an auditor of any company. You can be a business analytic. You can be a business analyst, budget analyst, credit analyst, international audit associate. You can be investment banker. All these are opportunities. These are all jobs that you can apply for. You can be a financial accountant. You can be fund manager. You can be research analyst. You can be tax consultant. So since there are so many fields, and actually it's a very, very, very good course regarding job opportunities. If you have this course, which is the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant, believe me or not, it will help you so much in case of attachment to your CV. You know, it will put you a step ahead over those who don't have it. So for those of you with accounting desires, with accounting anxiousness, for those of you who want the calculations, who want thinking, who want business, who want finance, all these matters, who feel they can do numbering kind of tasks, please, this is the best choice for you to take. It's a qualification, it's not a degree, but it's worth it, the time. In addition to this, guys, so my last topic is about where can we study this course? Where can we have these qualifications? How can we go about it? How can we register? Where can we find it? Please, relax. Just contact EduService International Group Network. We will help you, we will guide you. Just today, I was supposed to have an appointment with a consultant, international consultant from one of our university collaborating partners, but not good enough. He got caught up with some other matters, but next time I'll be bringing him live with us so that we can discuss more about this matter regarding ACCA. It's studying ACCA in Malaysia. Will be coming from one of our corporate international universities in Malaysia here that we're working with in hand, so that he can tell us more. But there are so many universities that can provide you this program. But no, why I'm saying please come to us, contact us, is simply because we will help you with everything. We'll help you with all the paperwork, additional paperwork required, and we will help you to have what you want and achieve it in time at the best affordable price. Don't forget that. That is our work for you. What you have to do only submitting your documents, then stay home and relax and wait for your day to go visit the university, see everything, accept the university, agree on terms and conditions, pay in, and then continue with your studies. We wish you the best success in all. That's what we're doing for you all international students who would like to study in Malaysia. Please don't hesitate to contact us. We have so much. We have so much. If you come, you contact us upon your request of anything, any matter regarding studying in Malaysia. We are here to help you. We are here to guide you. Simply contact us. Simply reach us on our online sites. You can use our Facebook. You can find us on Instagram. You can find us on Twitter. You can go directly on our website. That's eduservice.com. You can find us on Twitter. We are everywhere. You can find us on YouTube. We have so many channels. You can reach us. So don't hesitate to contact us for international students all over the world who would like to pursue their studies in Malaysia. Last but not least, I'd like to thank you for being with me tonight. And I really appreciate your time. And that will be our day for today. Let's meet again in time. Maybe next week I'll be having another live session regarding studying in Malaysia. Possibly that will be our next Monday. I wish you the best of all. Stay safe. Take precautions over the COVID-19 case, because that disease is real. Thank you very much for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.